Turn on the device, press the button on the bottom for about 3 seconds. It will shows the ads scrolling on the screen. That is how the advertising system works. Touch the screen for about 5 to 6 seconds, then input the default password 88 to enter the Android system. Connect the Wi-Fi in the setting part. The first time you connect the Wi-Fi and back to advertising display, you will find those pictures scrolled on the screen. They are gone. Don't worry, let's log in the system and set up your own pictures and videos. Log in the advertising system from your computer. Okay, now we are going to log in system. Your password could be changed in the system. By clicking the clock icon, the password will be visible to ensure the password inputted is correct or not. The system supports multiple languages. Choose one you are familiar with before login. At the home page, users can see the daily and monthly statistics of the devices, program, material, and user. Users can also download the forms to see, like how many devices is under your account, how many programs were created in your account, how many materials you have uploaded to the system, how many user accounts you have created. These numbers will directly show in the upper column and with forms to show under. On the top column, you can see each parts of the system: home, device, program, material, user and system management. We will start from the rightmost page, system management. In this part, you could add an user who will have limited authority to manage your devices. For example, if you are a chain restaurant boss, have 100 devices in your restaurants, but you are too busy to take care of them yourself, then you could appoint your assistant to manage your equipments, and you choose to give him the authority you want. Now we create an user. Fill in the login name and the email, password. We give a role to the user. Add a role name assistant, remark whatever you want or keep it empty here. And then select the parts your assistant may have access to operate. The parts you did not check, your assistant will have not authority to operate. Of course, you can select the all. Okay, it's better to mark with no user part here. Save it. The role you just created is here. Check it and save. The user's account you just created is here. You can edit it and reset the password or remove the user's account. And now we log in again with the account we just created. Reset the password when you first log in with a new account. Here we can see the assistant did not have the authority to access the user part. It does not show user part here. Okay, we back to system management part. The program log. Got a better view to know each program plays on which device, when it was played, and how long it has been played. All the logs can be searched by device name and date. The login log to see when and who have logined your system. See the user Lavine just logined. Operation log. To see what they have done after logining the system. See Lavine just reset the password here. Material play log. To see the picture or video you uploaded played on which device. Frequency and duration. So the system manage part is done here. We turn to the user part. The user we created here is different from the user we created in the system management page. For example, you have purchased 500 pieces devices from us. And then a client would like to buy 100 pieces from you. Then you could create a sub-level account for your client to have fully control of the 100 devices he will buy. Means these users' account is for your client, who may buy the device from you. Add user here. Login name. Username. Mailbox and password. Remark for example like restaurant A, Lavine from China. Or keep it empty. Save it. And the user Lavine shows here. Then we can select the devices he ordered and release to his account. Release the device. Choose Lavine. And save. Now those devices are under account Lavine. And Lavine will have the full authority to these devices. I did not save it, but you could try to create it and move the devices. We start to see the material part here. Your materials could be separated by different groups. Like this is how we do. First, we try to create a group, for example Coca-Cola, and save. And you could also add one more group under the group Coca-Cola. Like Restaurant B. Superior group choose Coca-Cola. Now we try to upload some pictures or video to this Coca-Cola. Please note the uploaded pictures and videos with the recommended pixels, to make sure they can be displayed in the screens in perfect looking. But no need to be exactly the same sometime. Here I choose the pictures I prepared. And save. If you want to remove it, choose one or choose all of them to delete. Or move the particular material to another group here. This is how we upload the material. Now we're going to see the next part. Here is the same, but your programs could be separated into different groups. Groups could be edited or removed. As we have uploaded our material, now could start to make program, which can be combined with serial of pictures, videos, or picture and video together. A program is what you want to display on the screen. Program name. Choose the material you need to form the program. Choose the group Restaurant B, because the pictures you need is in this group. Play time of each pictures. For instance, I want each picture to play for 5 seconds and then scroll, then we put 5 here. We click this icon to select all the material in the group to add to the program. We click this to select some of particular material to the program. Submit. All the pictures I set 5 seconds to play. Play start date. Set up the time to start playing the program, and the end time to stop playing the program. For instance, I want it to start playing on 26th September and end at 30th September. Everyday play from 8 to 20. The whole week besides Sunday, because we do not work on Sunday. The same here. Remark anything you want, or keep it blank. Finally, submit it. Done. The program you just created shows here. You could preview all of them. Or edit the program. Release the program to the specific device. Then your device will play this program. History shows when and how many times this program has been played. But this one was just created, no history here. Choose one of them, or all of them to delete. Or move to the other groups. The right side shows the information of the program as well. The program part is done here. We will come to the last part of the system. The devices. Yes, same as the program and material, your devices could be separated into different groups. Separation is needed when you have over 1,000 pieces devices. Your group could be edited or removed. From here you could send some message to the screen, like send welcome, or some wishes to your customers by the table they will see. When the shop is closed late night, turn the screen off together, or turn them on in the morning. It is so convenient, you don't have to press the button on the device one by one. Here I gonna introduce the most important part of the system, configure. To set up the program you need to play on these devices. It is easy, that we just choose the program we have created here. The device time zone is important. It needs to be corrected to your local time zone. Otherwise the program won't play. This is what I said, the sum of the functions on device are controlled by the advertising system when connect with Wi-Fi. Brightness, volume, time zone and screen, on and off. The password here is that you needed to enter the home page and the device when touch the screen for 5 to 6 seconds. It could be changed here. With this configure, even 1000 devices could be easily managed. This is also our advantage. More flexible and well-rounded advertising system. Of course, not just one program could be set up here. Several programs together will also be good. Just make sure the time of each program do not conflict. Otherwise, the screen will only display the later one on the bottom. For instance, the second program and the first program, part of their time, are covered by the third program. So it will not play the second and the first one within the time 9 to 10. Only the later one program will have the priority. If you want the second program to display at its time, just move it to the bottom. The above situation occurs only if their time setting conflict. As long as their time do not conflict, each program will be played perfectly. It depends on how you do with it. Wait about 10 seconds. These devices will receive my instruction and go on with that. What I mentioned are the basic operations. If you may come across any problems when you operate, just let me know, I will help you.